So this part of the space is a bit different from the other one. This is run by a community of entrepreneurs. It's a co-working space. We provided them with the space for free, and they charge them, these people, to have membership fee to be able to come here, and that the money that they collect pays for themselves, for the management. So from our point of view, it's really good and important to have a co-working space. They have a criteria who they let to be here. You cannot be a consultant or lawyer selling to others. You have to be building a startup venture or doing something really innovative that is that's going to change the world. So today we have about, I'd say that there is 105 members who have about 44 companies. Some of them are bigger and more mature. Today is quieter. We have some hot desks where people can just come in for a day and can have a one-day-a-week membership, or you can have a permanent desk, and that's the people with more monitors than people. So the space is called e29, and the community is called e29, and we do have the CEO of e29 just walking in. Tom, this group is from this is a MICTA group, and I bet you don't know what MICTA is.
No, I don't. What's MICTA?
What's MICTA? So it's a collaboration of countries.
Yep.
Mexico, M for Mexico, I is for Indonesia, right? K for Korea.
Yep.
T for Turkey.
Yep.
And A for
Australia, I'm guessing.
So these people represent this collaboration, and they are traveling around Australia and visiting different innovation hubs. So why don't you tell us more about e29?
Sure. So e29 is a pretty standard and typical technology startup co-working space. I'm sure you've seen many before in lots of other countries. We have just over 120 members now and 65 member businesses. We've had some successes come through here, and also touching Canberra Innovation Network programs as well that have grown up and become very successful technology companies, having 50 to 60 sort of employees and scaling globally and raising a bunch of money from investors. So that's the short answer. There's lots more there, but
do you have other campuses?
Yeah, we do. So we now this year we've just expanded. We're actually managing 3 locations, 2 directly as e29 and 1 on behalf of ACT government. So this location here, and then we have another location in partnership with the University of Canberra as well, in Bruce. And we also have another one up the road from here, which is the Renewables Innovation Hub, which we took over management of about 3 months ago now, I believe. Yeah. Any questions?
And your plans?
Plans?
Yeah.
Plans. Our plans are to, along with you guys and everyone else in Canberra, turn Canberra into the fantastic innovation ecosystem that has global impacts in terms of the businesses it puts out and sort of products they create and things that they do. That's really what we're all about. So it's very much about the membership here and helping people here succeed. So that's why we exist as a membership-based not-for-profit organisation.
Yeah. Questions?
Your company's raised about 24 million last
Yeah, it's actually closer to 40 now. Yep.
Over what period of time?
Over the last 3 years. So last year there was about that. So it's pretty cool actually. There's some fantastic success stories that are coming out of here and really definitely showing that Canberra can be a world and global player.
So 3 years ago it was 7 people in a demountable
in the ANU car park. Yeah.
And I think one of the best things that the Canberra Innovation Network did was to bring Entrepreneur and Accelerator together into a space that you've got a critical mass.
That's right. Yeah, so having the programs co-located is actually really beneficial. It's good to be able to just walk next door and talk to other people doing other things. It might be a slightly different place in the journey, but it's still, if you are separated by a wall, it's much harder. If you're separated by a road, it's even harder again. Cities, even harder. So the closer you can get, the more you can co-locate with other people trying to achieve the same goals, the faster things move and the more innovation happens.
And why is it called e29?
So it's the 29th entry in the Competition to Design Canberra. So that was Walter Burley Griffin's entry. And the plan is actually around the corner. If you want to have a look. Yeah, do you want to have a look?
Yeah.
So the plans are... And largely it's basically the same thing. So.
Really like
You were designing the...
No, not us. No. So Canberra,
in recognition of.
when Canberra was established as the capital of Australia, there was a design competition run, which was a global design competition to plan the city and establish it as Canberra's bush capital. And these are some of the samples of the designs that were submitted to that competition. Entry 29 is the one that won, and it was Walter Polly Griffin's entry, and they're still working off that master plan today. So it's in the third phase of the master plan.
So that's why our programs are called Entry 29, Griffin, and the last one is called Kiln, which was the first industrial facility here that produced the bricks that built the oldest buildings here, including the old Parliament House. So that's the logic.
Building blocks of the future.
That's the logic.
Bringing the threads through. That's right.
Okay. Thanks, Tom.
That's all right. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you.
Lovely story of how when you get entrepreneurs together, things happen. So a young entrepreneur joined Entry 29, and she said to us, "I've got these 3D printers, can I put them somewhere?" And I thought, "You beauty!" So we gave her this room, and she had a 3D printer.
So we took all the beer out.
We took all the beer out.
Yes. Now in the
Don't,
little...
I know what I mean. And then, so she set this up as a little maker space, which was fantastic because she serviced all the startups, so all the startups that needed little prototypes being, on small scale prototypes, she could do that in there. The trouble came when we had a fire.
Not a big one, though.
It was a tiny little fire, so it was very scary, so we had to just limit it to smaller things. But it's great you've got some art.
3D here, this is what they call social impact comics. So the stories are all about environmental issues and social issues, and there's a young entrepreneur from here who promotes this. So quite interesting. We now have a whole new social impact accelerator program that is running out of University of Canberra, and it's connected to us. We provide them with funding and support. So big focus for us as well. Here, acceleration. One of them is called Sign On Site, and it's targeting construction industry. You have an app in your phone, and if you are an employee or a contractor of a construction company, whenever you cross a border of a construction site, it signs you on. When you leave, it signs you off. So the company across multiple sites know where people are, they can evacuate them, and they can even do some analytics on how much time have plumbers spent on each site, and they can inform them their bidding processes and get them more competitive. So very excited by that startup. That's going really well, and there's 2 more startups there. I'll take you. So that's where people can relax. It's the warmest room of the place. That's why some entrepreneurs prefer to work from here. And it's also the sunniest. So the new stuff with is a short board where our tournaments that are being now streamed online to the whole world will be and then we do a lot of level 5 social events. So it's Entry 29 together with us. We have Friday afternoon drinks that are typically in our space to get the tech entrepreneurs more to us. And they do a lot of work now with the team in encouraging more women into the space. So they had a breakfast for women in innovation entrepreneurship last week. The week before we had a 50-50 breakfast with ANU. So lots of activity happening there. Lunches happen here, coffee,